Let's go to Greg in Lakeland. Hello, Greg.
Hello.
We were just talking about Lakeland and what a pretty little town it is.
It is. I'm a landlord, and I have a tenant, and I want to raise their rent.
All right.
And the question is, how much of a notice? What's the length of time I have to give them for notice to raise their rent?
Well, has their lease term expired, or are they on a month-to-month, Richard?
They were on a lease. They did not renew the lease, and this has been 6 years ago that I've been running on a month-to-month.
Okay. So,
basis.
Richard, here's the bottom line. Richard, you, on a month-to-month tenancy, either the landlord or the tenant can terminate the lease by giving the other 15-day notice. So, Richard, what you could do is you could tell them, look, starting February 1, your rent's going to be X amount of dollars, and if you don't want to pay it, then this is my notice to you that we're going to terminate the lease and we'll go our own ways.
Okay. All right. So it's 15 days, or I gave them 45 days, and they just sent me a letter and said that I could not raise the rent.
They would be wrong.
Because of, right. Okay.
Why, Greg? Why did they say, tell me why they said.
Well, they said that in the original lease, it which I don't have in front of me, it does state that there is a holdover period, which it is on a month-to-month basis.
Greg, they're pretending to be lawyers, and they're not. So, Greg, I feel, Greg, you've been very generous with them from what you've told me, and I find it hard to believe that this is their reaction to it. So, Greg, I would say that they are wrong. Now, Greg, if you want some more detailed information about this, Rob Solomon is our landlord-tenant attorney. He is at our office right now. Greg, if you want to talk farther, you can talk to Rob Solomon at our office right now, 407-423-5561.